Welcome friends once again to TV Box Top. My name is Nick and welcome to another featured product review. On today's video, Vastking is here with the release of their latest budget tablet called the Kingpad Z10. This new model is a 10-inch 1080p Android 11 tablet. It runs on a quad-core processor, has 2GB of RAM, 32GB of internal storage, it has a trendy design, a 2MP front-facing camera, an 8MP rear-facing camera, and it has single-band 2.4 Wi-Fi connectivity. This budget model seeks to provide great value, functionality, and good performance at a price point of just below $100. So if you would like to see what this budget Kingpad Z10 has to offer, stay tuned, that's coming up right after this. In the box, you get the Z10 model itself. You get one Type-C charging cable, a 5V to amps DC power adapter, a punch tool to eject the SD card holster, a 2-year warranty card, a quick start guide, and a user manual. Its design is made entirely of plastic with a 10.1-inch 1280 by 800 ISP display with a viewing angle of 178 degrees and a front-facing 2MP camera to the front. On the left side, you have the power button, volume controls, a reset button, a Type-C port, and the microSD card holster. The opposite side is blank. At the top, you have a headphone jack and a built-in microphone. To the rear, you have the 8MP rear-facing camera. And below the tablet, you have a pair of built-in speakers. Before I begin testing its functions, let's take a quick look at its system and hardware information. The manufacturer is Vastking, and the board information indicates that it's a Spreadtrum board running on 2GB of DDR3 RAM and 32GB of internal storage, from which this is the remainder. The Bluetooth version is 4.2. Its CPU, most likely Unisoc, is a 32-bit quad-core Cortex A7 CPU clocked at 1.3 GHz with support for 32-bit ABIs, which simply means that it's a 32-bit operating system and SoC. Its GPU is the Mali T820 with OpenGLES version 3.2 support. On the network, it shows that it's a single-band 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and the 5 GHz band is not supported. It's powered by a 6000 mAh battery that delivers up to 12 hours of max usage, or you can leave it in standby mode for about 14 days before recharging. Its operating system is Android 11 and it shows that it's not rooted. Under devices, it shows its front and rear facing camera details. Under temperature, it shows that the battery is stable around 20 degrees Celsius. Under codecs, it shows that you have decoders such as H.264, HEVC, and VP9 decoding. These decoders will ensure that it can handle most basic audio and video formats. And that's it for its system and hardware information. When it comes to functionality, the Z10 has most of your basic features. You have a responsive touchscreen display. You have screen rotation to portrait mode and landscape mode. You have Bluetooth connectivity. And you have a flashlight built into the rear-facing camera. You have Google Assistance feature. What's the weather in Miami?
It's currently 25 degrees and partly cloudy there. Tuesday, there'll be scattered thunderstorms with a high of 31 and a low of 25.
I attempted to use the new split screen function for Android 11, and it appears that the split screen function is not working. Here's a captured footage using the rare 8 megapixel camera. And here's footage captured with the front 2 megapixel camera. If you would like to use it for entertainment purposes, it's fully certified with Google HDCP protection, and it can play premium services such as Netflix, and it has Chromecast capability.
Get back in there! Come on! Wait a minute. Where's Cotton?
Oh, he went into the woods.
Oh. You, come with me.
Where are we going?
We're gonna go get Cotton back.
Oh, great! Come on, Duke.
Oh, Duke, sit. Yep. This is just you and me.
Oh, boy.
This is what it looks like when you play a high-quality YouTube video. If you are interested in gaming, you can use its touchscreen functions, or you can connect a gamepad via Bluetooth and play some Android games. However, I recommend that you stick to low graphics games, as this is a budget tablet and it does not have the power to handle more graphics intensive titles. So viewers, there you have it. This was my review of the latest budget tablet from Vastking. So if you are looking for a tablet on a budget, this would be a great option. See the link in the description directly below this video where you can get it on Amazon at the lowest price online. Using my links support this channel directly and provides the avenue for me to acquire new products for review. So thanks in advance for your support. Thanks for watching. Give this video the thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you are a first-time viewer or existing viewer and have not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell before leaving to be notified every time I release a new video or decide to do a giveaway. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Stay tuned and I'll be seeing you in the next one.